In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your Bluetooth problems, whether it may be it's not connecting or not working properly. So stick to the end. And I'm going to be showing you multiple different methods because some of them might not work for you and they might work for someone else. So if the first one doesn't work for you, try the second one and so on. So the first method is to go to your Windows search and type in troubleshoot settings. Best match should come up, troubleshoot settings. Then scroll down a bit. Then click on Bluetooth. Click on run the troubleshooter. Then it will run it. Once it has run the troubleshooter, restart your computer and try to connect your Bluetooth device and see if it works. If it does, don't forget to like this video. And if it doesn't, try the second method. The second method is to go to your Windows search and type in run. Then type in reg edit, REG edit. Then click OK. Then click yes. Then here, click on H key local machine, the little drop down, click on it. Then click on software, the drop down. Then search for Microsoft and click on the Microsoft drop down. Then look for Windows NT. Windows NT. Windows is right here. Windows NT is right here. Then on Windows NT, click on the drop down. Go to current version. Click on that. Look for something that says current version on the right side, right here. Right click on it. Click on modify. Change the value data from 6.3 to 6.2. Then click on OK. Then restart your computer and see if this works. If it doesn't, follow the next method that I'm going to be showing you. The third method is to go to your Windows search and type in Device Manager. The best match should come up. Open it up. Then under Bluetooth, on Bluetooth, click on the little drop down and then go onto your Bluetooth driver. Right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically for updated driver software, then wait a bit until it finishes. Okay, now it has finished and you can see that mine says the best drivers for your device are already installed for you. If it doesn't say that, go ahead and install it. But if it does say this, go click on X, go back, right click, click on update driver. Now click on browse my computer for driver software. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the most recent one. Mine is 2020, 6/25/2020. Then click on next and let it install. Mine is already installed, so I don't need to do it. So if it's already installed, this won't work for you, and you should try the next method. But if it already installed it for you, if it just installed it, restart your computer and see if it works for you. If it does, don't forget to like this video. If it doesn't, try the last method is to go to your Windows search, type in services. Best match should come up. Click on it. Then scroll down until you see something that says Bluetooth Audio Gateway, Bluetooth Support Service, and Bluetooth User Support Service. On all three of these, what you're going to want to do is double click, turn the startup type from manual to automatic, then click on apply, then OK. So you're going to want to do that to Bluetooth Support Service. You're going to want to double click, go click on, turn this from manual to automatic, then click on apply, then OK. Then you're going to want to do that to Bluetooth User Support Service. Double click, turn it from manual to automatic. Then click on stop. Then click on start. This one is actually a bit different. You're going to have to do that. Then click on apply. Then so if it says the parameter is incorrect, you can just skip that one and restart your computer and see if that works. If it does, like this video. subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which method worked for you, so you can help others do this quicker. And if none worked for you, comment down below, and then I will comment back to you and tell you what to do for your issue.